Welcome back to Woodworker Express. In this video, the third video in this series, we will be going over the different materials that cabinet boxes and drawer boxes are made from and the pros and cons of each. Let's get started. Now, in most cases, you will have a choice between particle board or plywood for the sides and internal shelves of the cabinet boxes. Let's first talk about the particle board option. Particle board is a man-made composite sheet wood product. Using extreme pressure, wood chips and wood particles are squeezed together with either a glue or resin to form sheet goods. To give particle board cabinets a finished look, exposed surfaces are then finished with either thin wood veneers or with paint. Particle board has great dimensional stability and doesn't warp due to temperature fluctuations and environmental changes. Another advantage to particle board is it is often made out of leftover wood chips and sawdust, allowing you to save a significant amount on cabinet costs. However, particle board does have some drawbacks, one of which is that it lacks moisture resistance, meaning the particle board will swell if it's continuously exposed to water. And in a kitchen or bathroom with faucets running and steam from the boiling water on the stove, it could become an issue. Particle board is also prone to sagging when used as a cabinet shelf and can chip quite easily. Now, let's talk about plywood. Plywood is a much stronger material that can hold greater weight than particle board, mainly because of the interweaving design of the boards. Plywood will generally hold nails and screws better than particle board, and it also has greater effectiveness in holding glued joints. Though excessive and long-term exposure to water could affect it, its structural integrity will stay intact over a much longer period of time. If it's within your budget, I highly recommend the upgrade from particle board to plywood for your cabinet sides and shelving. This is a great upgrade for durability and for getting the longest life out of your new cabinets. Finally, let's talk about the different drawer box choices that you will have. Most companies will either offer a standard particle board drawer box that is usually stapled together or a wooden dovetail drawer box that is dovetailed together. Dovetail box construction is one of the strongest and longest lasting drawer box joinery methods available. It resembles a dove's tail, as you see here, and the box pieces are locked into place, forming a very strong joint that is less likely to fail over the years. With dovetail construction, you will have a choice of either plywood or solid wood material. From my experience, I personally think they are both great options. If cost is a huge factor, then choosing the plywood material with a dovetail construction will not affect the integrity of the drawer box whatsoever. And you should save a little money over using the solid wood dovetail drawer box. Overall, it comes down to your budget. If you can afford the drawer box upgrade, I would go for it. The drawers in your kitchen get used quite a bit, and the stronger they are, the longer they will last. As for the door and drawer front material options, there are quite a few available, and it greatly depends on whether you are choosing paint grade or stain grade. We have made a video dedicated just to this subject, and it just so happens to be the next video in this series. So as always, thanks so much for watching, and if you have any questions at all, please feel free to leave them down below in the comment section. I would be more than happy to help you out. And be sure to hit that subscribe button and smash that bell icon to be notified when a new video comes out. And don't forget to visit woodworkerexpress.com for all of your woodworking needs. I will see you next video.